Alright, what's going on, everybody? We got Greg back here today, the Miata expert. He's here helping me wire up these fans so that I can manually toggle, because I think only one of them will come on unless you turn the AC on, and then both will come on, but we want to make it so we can have full fan all the time for when we're drifting at the track and it's 90 degrees out. So he's over here making a little button. Look at that. Yeah, he's got a nice little truck. What are you looking for?
Switch. Oh, you got it. I was like, I'm going crazy. I know. I definitely set that down.
We are at home.
Don't do this at home though. There's no good way to get in there. Just be really careful. If you cut yourself, I guess. First time I've done one of these in one of these things.
Really?
Bad. And then these. This one's a little nicer. You can just right back in. Doing. Make it easier on it. Glory. The awesome $10,000 car, brand new.
Yeah.
Just so you know, if you want to just flip flop them or something.
Okay, they just pop out.
Pretty much, yeah. The ground and the fan thing, and make sure that wire for the fan is working real quick so I don't waste a ton of time doing that. So we should be able to jump your ground, which is this one, and the fan thing. There's that one. Oh, the key probably has to be on.
Sweet.
Just that one, but we can wire that one
So it's parallel.
with this one.
Yeah.
So that when we want to, they'll both just turn on.
Perfect.
This one actually has a higher CFM.
Yeah, like it's like way bigger.
Yeah, it pulls a lot. Retake that one down. So, want TFA, which is the second one in there, so it's black. So you just gotta find the right size for what you're doing. Kind of push them out. This is not all of them, so just some of them that I have, but there you go. Boom.
Nice.
That's what it looks like. They just slide right in there and they clip in.
Because it just holds them all in the one spot.
Yep, it just holds them all in. They're all individual. And you can just take this and you push back your little thing and then take something else and push them out.
Cool.
Not too bad. Just take that wire, take it out of that, plug that back in. That's good. I'm gonna bring this wire down a little bit into here.
That does not sound like electrical tape. Oh, that wasn't hard at all.
No, this is just wire loop. Pretty simple stuff. Then we'll retape that so it looks factory again. Clean off all the impurities and stuff and help it like suck the solder into the actual wires.
Oh wow.
So like it's actually inside of it, you know.
Instead of just on top.
Yeah. Now we can just take this, get it right to the middle of where we need it. put underneath the kick plate or something? Is it underneath the dash there?
Yep.
Steering wheel. Got it?
Yep.
Yeah. Strip those back and splice one onto one end and the other onto the other. They're a lot heavier than they need to be.
On this wire we want to. Wow, it gets it so easy.
Yeah, they work nice until they stop working. You know this bolt over, it's just some factory P9, you want to get a good connection there. That'll have a little more slack once we get it pushed back in. Okay, so we have that one. Switch them a little careful so we don't burn it. There. Push it through. Slide that one over that one. Overlap them with that. Bam. Really nice tight seal.
Yeah.
That's what you want. Pull those through a little bit and zip tie them up if you feel the need. There.
Wow, look at that. Dang. So it looks so factory.
Your key? You don't want to record it if it doesn't work. Then I'll feel like an idiot. Look at that. It actually does work. So you can film now. Right, and this goes to your fan, so we're gonna cut it right over here actually.
Okay.
And then we'll add it in right here somewhere. Take that a bit. Because all we're gonna do is once we cut these, we'll put some heat shrink on them.
Yeah.
And just like fold them closed.
Okay.
And stuff so they don't, there's no issues there ever. Go on this side of that thing. Very short. Push it on as far as we can here. Yeah, and then we'll just tape them up, and then if you ever want to go back to factory or anything like that, you still got the option too.
That's cool.
And then we'll use my knife to cut that off. Should be able to just weave those wires right in and solder that.
Oh, cool.
Get a little bit close this time. This will just help them from not working themselves free or something. I feel like they're working.
All right, we just went for a little test drive. Everything looked good, temps were good. So what Greg did is he wired it so that the fans will come on automatically around whatever the factory number is, like 200. And we can also switch them on manually.
You can also switch.
the radiator switch on there. So now every time I'm at the track, I can hit that thing instead of having to, what I was doing is I was just pressing the AC button to turn both fans on, but now I can just do it with a little switch, so let's see. Massive shout out to Greg. Go follow him on Instagram. He's literally, I don't know how he learns all this stuff. He's nuts, but we're all set. So test drive went well, temps were good, but thanks again, Greg, and see you in the next one.